and welcome. I'm Sarah, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on office safety. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Whether you work in an office every day or only occasionally, office safety is an essential practice that needs to be reviewed periodically in order to prevent common office mishaps. This lesson will describe ways to avoid accidents associated with slips, trips, and falls, cuts and punctures, proper lifting practices, and the safe use of space heaters. The first set of hazards in the office are slips, trips, and falls. They are some of the most common causes of injury in the office and account for nearly 15% of all accidental deaths, second only to motor vehicles. Slips, trips, and falls can be easily prevented by following these guidelines. Make sure carpeted areas are flat with no signs of fraying, tears, and lifts. Use mats in entryways to prevent slippery or wet floors, especially in the rainy seasons. Do not run wires or cables in the middle of common walkways. Keep hallways and walkways clear of boxes, filing cabinets, and other excess clutter. Office chairs are never to be used for horseplay or as a step stool. Chairs must remain on all legs on the ground at all times. Do not recline in a chair unless it is made to do so. Do not sit on countertops, desktops, or any surface not intended to be used as a seat. In addition to the major bodily harm that can happen with a slip, trip, or fall, cuts and punctures, although small, can still cause significant injuries.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.